Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Finviz screener. First, navigate to the Finviz website and click on the Screener tab. This powerful, free tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks using a wide array of criteria. You can easily narrow down your search from over 8,000 stocks to a manageable list in just a few clicks. It's an essential resource for identifying potential investment opportunities efficiently. To begin setting up your screen, click on the All drop-down menu to reveal the extensive list of filter categories. You can choose from descriptive filters like industry or sector, fundamental filters such as market capitalization or price-to-earnings ratio, and technical filters like 20-day simple moving average. For instance, select market cap and choose over 2 billion to focus on larger companies. This step is crucial for refining your search. Now, let's refine your search by combining various filter types. For example, you might look for companies with a return on equity over 20% and a 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average. The Signals tab offers quick access to predefined technical patterns like double bottom or wedge up. Remember to save your custom screens using the portfolio feature for easy access later. Once your filters are applied, the screener will display a list of stocks matching your criteria. You can sort these results by different metrics, such as volume, performance, or dividend yield, to prioritize your review. For more in-depth analysis, consider exporting the data into a spreadsheet program. This allows you to perform further calculations and integrate the information with your personal research methods, making informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.